Hi everyone! Welcome sa Icebreaker sales training natin dito sa Commune Realty. My name is Carl and it's such an honor and privilege to help you. Alam ko, napakahirap makabenta. At lalong-lalo na, napakahirap maland yung first sale mo. In this training, our goal is to compress all these years of learning about sales and about real estate sales and help you develop the right habits for you to sell. Kapag nakuha mo to, kapatid, alam ko mas dumadali na yung mga next sales mo. And thus, it will make you into an effective and very, very good sales agent. So in this training, meron po tayong tinatawag natin na journal. That journal intends to help you build the habits. And just to remind everyone, napaka-importante po nitong training na to. And napaka-importante na mag-abide ka sa mga kailangan gawin. Una, finish this training. Follow the instructions. And number 2, be able to use your journal daily. Fill upan mo yung mga kailangan fill upan mula monthly, weekly, and then daily. And follow through it. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Masarap maglista ng mga kailangan gawin, pero mas mahirap pong i-apply ang kailangan mong gawin. So, apply it. And finally, ask for coaching. So, me and Marley and our team, we're willing to help you in this. The journal itself intends to have a weekly coaching from me or Marley. That is why this training is truly for the committed at sa mga sales agents natin na talagang gustong makabenta. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's proceed to the first lesson.